All right, number one, 563 plus 25 plus 125. So in the ones, you have 5 and 5 is 10 plus 3, and that gives you 13. And because you still have digits in the tens column or to the left, you're going to carry your 1. What is 6 plus 2 plus 2? 10 plus the 1 now, 11. And again, you're going to write down your 11 or your 1 in 11. And then you're going to carry the other one over to the hundreds place. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 713. Raise your hand or give me thumbs up that you got that one correct. In number 2, we start subtraction up in the upper right-hand corner. 7 minus 6. 8 minus 1. That was pretty easy. Raise your hand on that one. 7 times 4. And number 4, 5 squared. I heard 25. I got 10. Who's right? You guys are right. Come on. You guys are right. It's 25. I did 5 times 2, and that is not how you do exponents. The 2 tells you how many 5s you need. So you would do 1 and 2, and then you would stick multiplication in the middle, and there's your answer, 25. So, I mean, like, we're freaking out there a little bit. Okay, all right. 25 is the correct answer. Round to the nearest 10. Every number has a decimal. Here it is. So we're going to put 2 in the tens column right there. And our rules say that if it's 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, we keep the 2. But if it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we're going to add 1. So what are we going to do to the 2? Good work. Good work, Tyler. 3 and all numbers after are 0. So rounding to the nearest 100, which number's in the hundreds? The 2 again. And this time, it's going to be a 3 again because you're going to add 1 to it. And what happens to the 5 and 6? And what happens to the 4? Stays the same. I see a couple people that put 300 but forget to go back and put that digit in front of it down. All right, so if you have your Halloween candy and you're dumping it, and well, here's your Snickers. So if you have 2 Snickers here, is this 3 a Snickers? 3x a Snickers? No, it's like a Milky Way. It does not have the same variable. This is a y and this is an x. So can you combine those? So what's your answer? 2 plus 3x. Okay, moving along to number 8. Each side is 5 centimeters. So how many sides do I have? I got 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you could have done one way, done multiplication. 6 sides times 5 centimeters on each side, and you get what? 30 centimeters. Or add 5 and 5 is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Make sure you have labeled correctly. How many did much better on this set of warm-ups today? Like 6, 7, 8, correct? We'll take it. Okay. All right.